What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put 'em Work Burke. And today we're talking about how to start your own supplement brand. Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to start your own supplement brand. Alright, so I have some serious questions for you before we get started. I got some questions, right? I don't want to jump right in. Got some questions for you. Alright, listen. Okay, so do you love fitness? I mean, are you a personal trainer at least? Or are you just a fitness enthusiast? Do you work out constantly and it's not a problem for you to get down and give me 20 at any given moment? Know what I mean? Well, if you fall into these characteristics, then starting a supplement brand is right for you. Now, the question is starting a supplement brand worth it financially though? Is it gonna make you a lot of money though, right? Well, the average supplement brand can pull in upwards of 6 figures if the business is marketed right. So, obviously it's gonna make you a lot of money. Now, there are a few ways to do this, right? There's a few ways to start a supplement brand. Now, you can literally do it on your own. You can source all the ingredients yourself. You can find your own manufacturer and set up a supply chain of products and have it manufactured and bada bing, bada boom, bada blah, right? Or you can find a supplement company that has an affiliate program and you will make a percentage off of the sales that come through your coded affiliate link. You could do something like that. It's not really your own. I mean, because there's a good and bad to this business model, right? The good is that you actually make the product, right? But there's no upfront cost. You don't make the product really. You don't have to pay for any customer service or logistic issues with products. Nothing, right? You don't do much, but just get people to click the link. The bad is that you don't deal with the product at all. So you don't make much money off of sales. You're just making someone else's brand more popular by you marketing it, which is cool. So the question is, how do you make your own supplement brand without dealing with such an investment of money, right? Such a big investment of money. You sign up to Supplerful.com, and it's free to sign up, by the way. Now, the way it works is that you choose a product, and there are 100 plus nutritionist tested products to craft your personal offering through them, right? So basically what you're doing is pushing your personal offering through Supplerful.com. Now, step 2, you customize the look. Use your own brand logo and colors for the product packaging. Now, step 3, add your price. It's your product, so you decide how much you will sell it for. Now, I don't advise you to go too high above the market value of supplement brands right now, right? You want to kind of like build your clientele before you start being all expensive, right? Step 4, you can install the app on your Shopify store and publish products to your storefront with your markup price. It's pretty much that easy, that simple. It's not a big deal, especially if you use Shopify because that's what the app is built for. Now, if you don't have a Shopify store, you will need to add the products manually to your website or go ahead and get you a Shopify store. Now, they say on average, it takes a new user only 4 hours to create products and start selling risk-free. So give yourself maybe a day or two to get everything settled, right? But look, a day or two compared to like a year of researching products and vetting distribution for the products, plus any type of supply chain issues if you want to do this on your own. You compare the two, and who knows, it might take you longer than a year to get started. It's a lot of different variables that you're going to come across when starting a business like this. This is why starting a PLR type of supplement brand is the winning formula for starting this business. That's just my opinion, right? I'm just saying, that's just my opinion. It's less risk involved, and you get to test the world of selling a product without risking so much money up front. And for those who want to get signed up now and tired of researching, tired of wondering, and don't need to keep looking nowhere, anything like that, if that's you, then you should go ahead and click the link below and get started today. All right. Now, if that's not you, if you need to do more research, then go ahead, go watch some more YouTube videos, man. But I think if you understand what I'm trying to get at with this one, this is it right here. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth with himself, Devon, put on work Burke, signing on for how to start your own supplement brand. Do remember, wealth builders, what we do around here? We make more, we save more, and we build more. Peace.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly